Now, if you talk about food, do not fall in the processed food companies' trap. Try to avoid as much of processed food as possible. Eat home-cooked food on a regular basis. Another important point is if your work is physical in nature, then you need more carbohydrates and protein in your diet. But if your work is mental in nature, then you need to eat light, like fruits or veggies or low carbohydrate food, since you do not need those additional calories. Give breaks between food. Do not keep munching something all day long. Your stomach is not a machine, it's just an organ. It needs some rest too. At least 5 to 6 hours gap between food is considered good and healthy. Do not drink gallons and gallons of water every day. Your kidneys will not be able to flush out excess water, so you will have excess sodium in your bloodstream, and that can be life-threatening. It can also disrupt your brain functions. So only have water when you are extremely thirsty. Another important factor is to have food in your diet having low glycemic index, which means those food which will release sugar slowly in the bloodstream. So you will have sustained energy all throughout the day. Food with high glycemic index like soda drinks or your burgers or pizza or potatoes, french fries, fried chicken, your white rice, white bread, cakes, pastries, cookies, etc. must be avoided. Now you cannot avoid some of this food completely since items like rice and potatoes are staple food in many regions of the world. However, you can limit their consumption. Typically, low glycemic food includes green leafy vegetables, most of the fibrous fruits, brown breads, roti, oats, milk, chickpeas, lentils, pulses, etc. Another very important point is about sugar. Sugar is your enemy. Avoid as much as possible eating sweets unless made out of jaggery. Eat light at night. I personally try not to eat dinner 2 or 3 days a week. My work is not physical in nature, it's more of mental, so I do not need so much of food and so much of calories. I prefer sleeping hungry at times. If I am having dinner at night, I eat light and then I ensure to give a gap of minimum 2 hours before I go to bed. When you are sleeping, your body should concentrate on recovery rather than digestion of food. Intermittent fasting can be a good thing as well to give your body organs some rest and to cleanse your system. In India, we have so many festivals that you do not have to forcefully fast. The festivals will make you fast. Hopefully, you have made a note about all the stuff regarding food.